Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, it's been a while, hasn't it? So I've been wanting to come out here for a little bit, share our story with you. In case you were wondering, I don't know how many people realized that we had kind of disappeared off YouTube for a few months. We had a lot going on, but we've been able to resolve most of it. I'm ready to come back on YouTube and start producing some more videos. Probably do some lighter ones at first, just to get back into it again. But I'm anxious to get some more videos out there and start hanging out with the community again and being part of this awesome group. So I posted another video on a different platform titled, "Where Have We Been?" in case you're wondering. So I'm not going to post it on this platform for obvious reasons, but I will post it on another platform, and you can find the link below. So if you want to find out where we've been the last couple months and hear what went on and get some factual data as well as some opinion, pop on over there and take a look. You can watch it or not, you can agree with it or not, but I'm telling you what happened to us and how we saw what happened and giving my honest view on the situation. But either way, we're going to hopefully start posting some more videos here pretty soon and get back into the coin community. Well, I hope you take a look and listen to our story. And it's my opinion, but it's all truthful and factual and opinion based on what we found and what we saw. So why don't you hop on over there, take a look, and let me know what you think. Take care, everybody. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.